Nasa ka nagpanghatag di ay.
Bakit na ano na sa mga kaluha?
Maluhay ka dahil.
Oh.
This is Daniel.
Nang
From what state? From what state?
Montana in USA. Montana.
Montana, okay.
Because I'm going to Texas.
Montana.
My children are in Texas.
I've been to Texas.
Is near Montana and Texas?
Oh no, Texas is here. Montana's way up here on the Canadian border. So they're
Canadian border. New York. It's far, New York. New York. Far? Yeah, because I was in New York 5 years. Unsa naman di ka?
Nice meeting you, sir.
Wa pa gani kahibaw kung saan